Titan Company Q3 FY 2026 update. Consumer biz grows 40%. Jewelry, watches or expansion. Titan Company reported a strong performance in Q3 FY 2026, with its consumer businesses registering approximately 40% year-on-year growth, supported by robust festive demand and steady execution across key segments. During the quarter, the company added 56 net new stores, taking its total combined retail network to 3,433 stores as of December 2025, reinforcing Titan's leadership in organized retail. Domestic businesses recorded 38% year growth, driven largely by the jewelry segment, which delivered a robust 41% year growth during the quarter. Jewelry growth was led by higher average selling prices, which helped offset relatively flat buy growth amid elevated gold prices. To sustain demand in this environment, Tanishq introduced an aggressive gold exchange program, which successfully extended consumer engagement beyond the core festive window. Like-to-like growth across all jewelry formats stood in the low 30s, indicating healthy underlying demand. Across product categories, distinct consumer trends were visible. Gold coin sales nearly doubled compared to Q3 FY25, reinforcing their appeal as an investment option. The plain gold jewelry category recorded strong growth in the high 30s, driven by demand for design-led and premium offerings during the wedding and festive season. The studded jewelry segment delivered its best performance of FY 26 so far, recording healthy double-digit growth in the mid-20s, supported by improved buyer traction. Towards the end of the quarter, Titan launched Beyond, its lab-grown diamond jewelry brand, expanding its presence in the evolving jewelry space. While natural diamonds under brands such as Tanishq, Mia, Zoya and CaratLane will continue to cater to milestone and emotionally significant purchases, Beyond aims to address demand for affordable, everyday diamond jewelry focused on self-expression and fashion-led consumption. Of the 47 net jewelry store additions in India, Tanishq added 10 stores, Mia 11, Zoya 1, Beyond 1, and CaratLane 24 stores, highlighting strong momentum across formats. The watches division grew approximately 13% year, led by strong festive demand in analog watches, which recorded around 17% growth. Premiumization trends supported double-digit growth for the Titan brand, while Sonata and Fastrack witnessed robust consumer traction with strong volume momentum. However, the smartwatch category declined around 26% year, primarily due to lower volumes, while average selling prices remained largely stable. During the quarter, the division added 22 net new stores, spanning Titan World, Fastrack, Helios, and Helios Luxe formats. The eye care division reported around 16% year growth, supported by healthy performance across both international and in-house brands. Strong demand for sunglasses and prescription lenses, along with continued growth in e-commerce and omni-channel sales, contributed to the segment's performance. As part of network optimization, Titan Eye Jodh opened 11 new stores, renovated 20 stores, and closed 30 stores during the quarter, while Runway added 2 premium sunglass stores. Among emerging businesses, fragrances grew around 22% year, driven by strong volume growth in Fastrack and Skin. Women's bags delivered exceptional growth of approximately 111% year, led by sharp volume expansion and healthy ASP growth under Fastrack and Earth brands. Fashion accessories benefited significantly from e-commerce-led festive demand. However, Teneria's sales declined around 6% year, as lower volumes offset the benefit of higher average selling prices. The Earth brand added 2 new stores during the quarter in Delhi and Kolkata. International consumer businesses, primarily jewelry-led, delivered an exceptional growth of around 81% year, supported by strong performance across GCC countries, Singapore, and North America. During Q3 FY26, Tanishq opened 2 new stores in North America, located in Boston and Orlando, further strengthening Titan's global retail footprint. Overall, Titan's Q3 FY2026 performance reflects strong festive demand, effective portfolio diversification, disciplined expansion, and growing international scale, positioning the company well for sustained long-term growth.